Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So now that it's almost break, I decided to get the habit more of filming, and I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier today when I was fluffing my hair that I could have made a video, but it's not too late. Even though I already fluffed today, I just want to come out here and kind of quickly show y'all how I do it, so you know how. I want to help you. I want to help you out. Let me help you. But yeah, let's just get into kind of how I do it. I'm gonna take one of my 15 picks that I have, and we're just kind of go in and pick where we see fit. That's the key. Pick where you see fit. So I'm just gonna go in and lift my roots. Eventually, I'm gonna kind of like work my way to picking downwards, but let's start off lighter. Start off light. That's the key here. And no, it doesn't hurt. I can like hear it. It's just like the pick itself. I don't know how to describe it, but for this one there are multiple little kind of balls on the tips that help with like more volume. I think, where did I get this from? It came in like 3, I want to say from Target, because y'all know I get most of my stuff from Target. Most of my stuff. Don't be afraid to, really just go for it. Honestly, if you just want a lot of definition, don't pick as much as I do. Please don't, because it's just gonna give you more frizz. Now, if you're like me and you don't care about frizz at all, go forth and pick your life away. You know what I mean? Little pick here, little pick there. And now y'all see that I'm working kind of my way down. Just to elongate. You just kind of wanna, I also use my hands a lot, so that's creating more frizz. Like I said, if you want to keep your definition, just don't do as much as I am doing here. I'm just one for volume, honestly. I really don't care so much about definition. Of course, I want to keep as much of it as I can, but that is not my concern. Okay, I'm gonna turn this way just so y'all kind of see what it's looking like. And you just want to shape it to your liking. Like, this is good for me, But I hope y'all enjoyed this super quick tutorial on how I fluff my hair, how I get my big curly fro. If you didn't see how I got this style overall, make sure you watch the last video. All of it is in there. I'll see y'all in my next video. You know what's coming. Peace and love. Bye, y'all.